We are given a table of values here, and you know it's a rational function, and we're supposed to answer questions about limits as numbers approach -3 from the left and from the right, and then it rewords those. So we're given this table, and this table gives us values that kind of look like you would plug it into a TI-84 Plus and hit table and something like this happens, but it's different. What it's telling us right here is -3 seems to be really important. And then we take something really close to it and get even closer, get even closer, get even closer. Similarly, on the other side of -3, we take -2.9, which is really close to -3, and we get even closer and even closer and even closer. So what we want to do is we kind of want to draw ourselves like a fake graph centering around -3 and using the numbers -3.1 and -2.9, like that. Also, it looks like the magic number here is like 4.2-ish, and then something is undefined. We'll deal with that when we deal with that, but I'll put 4.2 here. Now let's focus on the left of this -3. At -3.1, I'm at 14.13, and then I get bigger. A little bit, but bigger, like $14.13 some cents, $14.15, $14.18-ish cents, $14.19-ish cents. What's happening is we start a little bit below 4.2, and this is 4.2, not -4.2. This is just me saying it's regular 4.2. See, look, fixed. So I'm starting out a little bit under 4.2, and then I hit undefined. Now, why would I hit undefined at -3? Because it's a vertical asymptote. So what's going to happen is I'm going to hover a little bit below 4.2, get bigger, 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 and then shoot up like that. Okay, that's what happens at asymptotes. Similarly, over here on the other side, at -2.9, I'm at 4.37, which is somewhere above 4.2, and then I get smaller, smaller, smaller. Okay, but what's most important is I hit undefined again. So moving from the right to the left, my values get smaller. So at 2.9, I'm at like 4.3. And as I get closer, I'm at like 4.30 and then 4.2-ish. So what's going to happen is this is going to happen. Okay. So now based off of this picture, we can answer some of these questions. The limit as x approaches -3 from the left means I'm traveling from the left and I'm moving up as I go towards -3, so my answer is going to be positive infinity. My limit as t approaches -3, positive means from the right, so I'm coming from the right, I'm approaching -3, and then I shoot downward, which means it's negative infinity. So as t approaches -3 from the left, the d of t goes towards infinity. So we'll use a word like increases so we don't repeat ourselves. Increases. And as t approaches -3 from the right, which is what this is saying, the d of t decreases because it's going towards negative infinity. So kind of a very bizarre problem, but nothing is impossible. Hope this helps.